Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 4th August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given. Function getXthDiagonal. We just need to print the x the diagonal of the given matrix. Here they have given a matrix of 6 cross 5 and the x value is 7. The diagonal should be start from bottom right and top left, not from here. So we just need to get all the diagonals like this. Like this one, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, like that. So if you have noticed the pattern, you should get something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After reaching 0, it is incrementing the row size 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what we just need to do is we just need to decrement until 0. After reaching 0, we just need to increment the column size. So if you do that, we will get the proper output. So let's jump into the programmatical part. Hope you get that right. So here they have given a value 7. The first diagonal is this one, second, third, fourth, fifth, this is sixth, and this is 7th, 8, 9 and 10. So we are decrementing by row size and incrementing by column size when we have encounter row 0. So we just need to focus on that one. That's it. So here they have given a program like they have handling the input and output parts. We just need to make the function part, which is nothing but a bounded array of get x digit diagonal. Bounded array. What just happened to my intelligence? Why it made me to type all those stuffs? Bounded array star get x diagonal. Inside this we just got the values like RC matrix x, int R, int C, int matrix of R and C. I'm gonna take these values as row and column because we just need one more row and column inside the row, inside this function, right? So to get rid of confusion, I'm just specifying this as row and that one as R and C. Inside this we just need to return an array. Before returning that array, we just need to declare for the data type bounded. Come on, I'm not going to do that. Bounded array star array. This should be in the size of bounded array pointer. We are just typecasting the size into that data type after declaring the size malloc of size of that bounded array pointer. So now we have declared the size for this array. We just need to initialize the values. Array of size equal to 0, which is the array should be started from 0th index, right? Array of ARR equal to, this should be in the type of integer pointer because they have specified that, and malloc of size of integer pointer into the row and column size, row into col. Next time while declaring the variable, I just should keep with the lowercase because pressing shift makes me to feel like something else. So we just need to implement the logic here. R equal to row minus 1 because array index started from 0, and C equal to 0 because we are just starting with the 0th column until we reach the 0th row, right? I'm just going for a for loop for int I equal to 0, I smaller than this value x, I plus plus. Inside this loop, we just need to decrement the row size if row not equal to 0, or if r plus plus. Once the row gets 0, we just need to increment. இப்போ மட்டும் வா, நான் தடவும் போதுனா வராது. Else C plus plus, C row minus and column plus. So if we don't get a 0, if you don't reach the 0th row, we just need to decrement the row size. If you have reached the 0th row, we just need to increment the column size, right? That's what I'm doing here. After that, we just need to assign all those values here. While r smaller than row and C smaller than column, array of ARR of array of size plus plus equal to matrix of R plus plus and C plus plus. So after this, we just need to return the array. We are already doing that. So let me save and check this problem. Clear the screen. It's already clean. No, it's not. So I'm cleaning this. No, still it's not cleaning. Okay. GCC main.c. We didn't get any compilation error. That's great. Let's go for the execution part. 6 cross 5 and then no luck for me. I'm not going to manually type all those values. So abracadabra. Yeah, we got that. Let me close my browser here. Okay, after that we just need to specify the index or x value 7. So after that we got 81, 23, 14. 81, where is that? 81, 23, 14. This is happening because we are just one more index from that. So let me put minus 1 here. So this will solve the problem. Come on. Clear screen. GCC main.c and execution. 6 cross 5, I guess. Yeah, 6 cross 5. Let me do my abracadabra. And after that, we are getting the index 7. Now we got the proper output, I guess. 56 to 95. Yeah, 56 to 95. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for you. Hope you like and enjoy this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.